How to upload and update your resume. A complete profile helps employers better understand your skills and increases your chances of getting noticed. On VirtualStaff.ph, you can upload your resume so employers can easily download and review it through a Download Resume button on your profile. You may upload your resume during profile creation or add/update it anytime in your profile settings. How to access the Edit Profile page. Go to your dashboard. Locate the bottom left sidebar of your dashboard. Click the three dots, vertical ellipsis. Select your profile. You will be directed to the Edit Profile page. How to add or update your resume. 1. Inside the Edit Profile page, scroll down to the Update Resume section. 2. Click the edit icon, represented by a pen symbol, next to it. 3. If you already have a resume uploaded, delete the existing file before uploading a new one. 4. Click the Choose File button to open a File Explorer window. 5. Browse your folders and select the resume file you want to upload. 6. Once you've selected the file, click Save and Update to finalize the changes. Your updated resume will now be available for employers to download and review. Keeping your resume up to date ensures you present the most relevant and accurate information to potential employers, increasing your chances of securing the right role.